Hey everyone, Chris and Katrina here from our Everyday Getaway. Today we are really excited because we're in Fort Myers, Florida, and we are actually on hand for the ribbon cutting ceremony celebrating the grand opening of the brand new Blue Compass RV facility right here. This place is absolutely impressive, and honestly, walking into a dealership like this feels a little bit like stepping into an RV candy store. Brand new rigs, beautiful setups, and so much more to explore. In this video, we're going to take you along for some incredible tours, and we're also going to share with you how you can save with the Blue Compass RV Complete Club and their VIP Complete programs, because there are some great perks RVers should definitely know about. But first, we're kicking things off with a walkthrough of the Grand Design Solitude 380 FL, a fifth wheel that feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. And then make sure you stick around because we're ending this video with our first ever look at a $1 million RV, the 2027 Foretravel Realm Presidential LVB. So grab a seat, come tour with us, because any day you can get away is a great day. Let's go.
This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may. We'll show you the world full of colors and cheer. Join us on this journey, our vision is clear. No looking back into dreams, hit the open road. Let's make some memories, lighten the load. This is our everyday getaway, living the life, come what may.
All right, so we're here at the Blue Compass dealership in Fort Myers, right off of Interstate 75, and we're kind of just walking around and looking at some things and enjoying the grand opening here. One of the things we decided to do was we went into the Solitude. This is a Grand Design Solitude 380 FL model, and this is one of their better selling models here at the dealership. Let's just take a look around this, and we'll let Katrina kind of do it. And we're sorry about the light in here, but I think we can make this work. All right, there it is, Katrina.
Okay, so I'm going to come, if you can swing around this way, let's go up here first. Let's go to the living area first. You go right up these couple steps into the living area, which is beautiful. This fireplace with all this natural light coming in.
I do like that.
I
like the window behind the.
And I am sure that these are going to pull out. Yes, look at this. So you have extra sleeping area up here for when your guests come, or if you have a larger family, someone can be up here. And I bet you, yeah. See, and this right here, look, to pull this blind down, if you don't want all that natural light in there.
You have your
televator.
Televator.
Mm-hmm. Looks like lots of nice storage all over. So it's good to go.
And is this a fold-out bed as well?
This I think comes out as
Gotta be.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
You see that? So you have extra storage space right over
Nice.
here.
And you know it's always about extra storage space.
It's about finding those little areas that you can add unique different things. Which, talking about unique and different things, look over here in the kitchen. So check this out. You open up the cabinet right here above the microwave, pull this guy out. It's a spice rack.
That's pretty cool.
So I don't know about everybody else, but I struggle on a daily basis with the spices. They're always all over the place. They're shifting around when we're traveling. That would come in really handy. Microwave here, induction cooking microwave. You have your propane here, and of course you have, I don't know if I can, oh, I can open it. Look at that. You have your oven right there.
What's that on the side right there to the left of the oven? More storage?
More storage for, like, you know, your trays and
Yeah.
pots, stuff like that. Look at all these nice cabinets, these pull-out cabinets. Right, drawers, very nice. Good amount of storage.
It's a
Huge.
decent sized refrigerator, isn't it?
that.
Look at that residential refrigerator.
Yeah.
What do you think about this little area over here? You like this
I like
area
this
over
because
here?
I struggle in our RV with where to put, like, the crock pot or the coffee maker. What I have to constantly do is take it and move it to put out the next item. So I wouldn't have to do this here. It'd be a great coffee bar, or it would also be a great cocktails and mixers and stuff like this, because we all know how much Chris likes to have his cocktails and mixers.
Yes, we do. That is a requirement.
This is beautiful with this, like, slate gray with the brass. Look at the lights. See how pretty that is? I'm testing the chairs out. Very comfortable, and they look pretty.
Yes, that's very
So,
important.
It is important. And the other thing is, it's not a booth. Chris and I are more fans of having the dinette chairs than having the booth. So this would actually be nice if we had a fifth wheel. First thing I notice is that there's mirrors on the opposite side of these cabinets. That's nice. So if I'm in here, let's say I'm in here and I have to get ready, I could literally have my stuff here getting ready if Chris is in the bathroom, using the mirror out here, lots of storage. And this is a clothes hamper.
Now, see, I like that
Do you like that?
because we don't have a clothes hamper.
Well,
We
most
have the
people-
floor.
Right. Most people don't. But this
That's
is
what I'm saying.
actually
I like
pretty cool.
that. That's pretty
It's
neat.
pretty cool. This actually, this bed, I don't know who makes this. That's not bad for just buying a rig. This is a very comfortable mattress. In the bathroom here, look at this. Look, nice, large bathroom, right?
Mhm, yeah.
And what's in here, you ask? Washer and dryer hookup.
Nice.
Yes.
Which
Which
every
we-
RVer knows you got to have that washer and
Once you
dryer.
have a washer and dryer, you'll never
Yeah.
go back. The shower looks to be a decent size. That's a decent size, and like it's still extra. Like I'm 5'3", so that's a lot of space out there. I think you tall guys could get right in there and fit fine. Look at this hair tool accessory drawer. So you have all your power outlets here, even for your charging things. Huh, these are like cups. Check that out. So like when you're brushing your teeth or whatever, you have something to, look at all that. That's nice. Let's see. Lots of storage. Nice amount of storage. I love, love, love the size of this mirror. Double sinks. Yeah, I think if we were in the market for a fifth wheel, this would definitely go on the list.
It's a nice little fifth
It's
wheel. I like
very
it.
nice.
Okay. All right. So that's just the first of a few. We will walk around, take a look. I'll show you the outside. Let me run outside and kind of just give you a look at the outside here. It's just so you guys can see what you got here. It's the Solitude by Grand Design. It's the 380 FL. It's a nice little rig. Got some storage out here all the way through. Wow. There's a lot of storage in there. All right, I got to check this out. Let me see what's back here. Oh, look at that. Pull-out bay here in the back, or a pull-out tray, or a bay, whatever you want to call it. A lot of storage, man. Once again, that's the Solitude by Grand Design, the 380 FL. Let's go take a look at some other stuff and see what else they got out here. It's a little windy. Sorry about the wind, guys. All right, so Katrina and I were hanging out here at the Blue Compass dealership, and behind us is the service department
Look at that.
with over 20 plus service bays. And you can get same day service here at the Fort Myers location.
Come on in and get that service work done.
Now remember, if you purchase an RV from Blue Compass, you get a 1 year, it's valued over $5,000. You get a 1 year RV Complete VIP membership. And in that membership, there are things included like savings on 1,000 Trails, RV Life Pro, and you get the RV Complete savings program that will help you save 10% up to $200 per visit when you have your RV serviced here. So you have a couple different options. You buy a new rig and you get the free membership that comes with the purchase of the
For the
new rig.
year, your membership.
But even if you don't buy your RV from Blue Compass, let's say you have an RV right now, you can still get the RV Complete membership for like $39 a year.
That's very reasonable.
Same savings on service and parts, and all the techs here are RVTI certified. So you have peace of mind knowing that they're highly skilled techs.
It's very important.
So this is a beautiful facility here, right off Interstate 75, convenient to get in and out, quick and fast.
Right near Fort Myers, you cannot miss it.
Yeah, so don't forget the RV Complete membership program, and don't forget you buy your rig here. You get a 1 year membership valued at over $5,000. That's pretty sweet.
Woohoo.
All right, guys. So this is the 2027 Foretravel. This is the Presidential Series. This is $1 million rig.
This is gorgeous.
And I think this is the first time we've ever been in a Foretravel.
I've never been in one. Unless you were doing something behind my back, we've never been in one.
I'm afraid
Unless you were shopping for maybe like a Valentine's Day gift or something.
Yeah, shopping. I always go out and shop for $1 million rigs. What's $1 million here and there?
Bucks, yeah. Yeah.
Let's take a look at this. This is a beautiful rig. I'm going to say it's probably about 44, 45 foot long. Gotta be. Really nice.
45 foot. I would say from the second that you walk in the door, the angle of the staircase and the tile work coming in is beautiful.
Yeah.
The leather accents and trim. I mean, and this, let me sit on the seat a second.
Kind of like that.
Let me sit on the seat a second. Is extremely comfortable. Extremely comfortable. And all kinds of chargers and gizmos and gadgets over here. And look at this like leather piping on this window here. It's gorgeous. Look at the front dash here. What do you think about this? I know we don't have it turned on. I mean, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool cockpit area. The way everything's laid out. Looks like everything is right there. It's actually the parking brakes over there to the left, the air brakes. What I like is it's very clean and simple, and there's not a whole lot of stuff. I mean, you do have some buttons and everything, but you just don't feel overwhelmed with it.
I also really like this window here. Unlike a lot of the Class A motorhomes, look how large this is.
Yeah.
One of my pet peeves is driving down the road and I have a very small window to look out through. This is really nice.
Yeah. Katrina, I wonder what this is.
I think it's a TV.
Oh, okay. Yep.
I think it's a TV that
Comes down
like this.
All right.
Which is nice because we really don't like it when the TV's just sitting up front like that. So that's cool. Look at these ottomans, and look at this. When you turn it upside down.
What's interesting is little things like that make a difference because, when we sit around and we want to eat or so, we're always looking for that extra space to have or something to put. So that's nice.
It's very nice. Furniture is beautiful. This one actually has the pull-out bed. So here you go. You have somebody stay here. These are reclined. The two sides recline. So, and honestly, one person, if you just have a couple guests, over for the weekend or whatever, someone can definitely just lay there like that.
How about the windows?
Oh, again, the windows in this rig are huge. Typically you're going to see the windows here, and then you have maybe it's because you would have a cabinet or something up here, but I would way forego the cabinet to have this kind of lighting.
Yeah.
Televator, and y'all know when that's down, another huge window. If you guys aren't familiar with these kind of dinette seats, you take these cushions out, and this is going to push in to here so that you can put your slides in.
It's a nice dinette. It's
a
nice.
Very nice dinette. I'm still more of a fan of the chairs, but this is very nice. And why I would be okay with this one is because it has a counter here. Usually when you have a dinette like this with the cushiony seats, you don't have this counter. So in this one you actually have both, which is really nice. Let's see what we got going on over here. I'm thinking dishwasher. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, this is very, very well made with a lot of great storage area. Oh, wow, look at that. It's nice. And what do we got here? We got a microwave, convection. Nice. There we go. A 2-burner induction cooktop. Your single farmhouse looking sink. That's very nice.
You
Gorgeous.
like the tile?
I like the tile.
Okay.
It's very pretty. And again, of course, you have this nice big window and tons of counter space up there. Over here, I'm not sure how that really works, but yeah, great big refrigerator. Cabinets. Kind of great stuff. Oh,
Half bath.
this is very cool. I like that. Right here we go. Some more space. I didn't realize there was more space here. Oh,
look at
my,
that.
look at that stereo system. Ooh-wee. Look at this, like, is this not cool? It's like you're literally sleeping outside underneath the stars. This is a great way that you could get me to sleep under the stars,
Haha.
is buy me a $1 million rig. This is their bed. The bed's not put all the way out right now, but obviously it comes up and goes back down once you get where you're going. Lots more cabinets,
It's a lot of room over here.
all kinds of storage. Again, huge TV in the bedroom, more storage, both sides. Let's look in here. Private toilet area with your emergency door to get outside if you do have an emergency. I'm thinking this is going to be washer and dryer.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Nice big closet
Nice big closet.
with area for shoes and whatnot back there. Here is your nice full-size washer and dryer, which a girl cannot go without, or a man. Oh, I like this. This is a new feature. Look at this big, it's almost like a trough. That's really cool, right?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like
Yeah.
that.
That's different. I don't think I've seen that before. Again, more space. On each side, you have storage on each side. And then behind the mirrors, I'm thinking like towels and whatnot would be great. Linen closet. Let's look at the bath. It's very stylish. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very nice. Wow, very nice. You even have a towel rack inside there.
So what do you think? Is this a possibility?
For us, no. I hate to break it to you, but probably about 3-4 digits too high. So it's a beautiful rig. This was the first time we've ever been in a Foretravel, which Blue Compass has these at their dealerships. You can purchase one here at Blue Compass, and then you can also have it serviced here. But once again, beautiful rig, nice.